Hey guys, so somebody invited me to solve this one right here. I thought I'd go to this Geogebra, and see if I can figure it out. So first I'm going to make a square. So let's go to regular polygon and let's draw that, and we'll say four-sided. So now we have a square. And next they found the midpoints of all four sides. So I'm going to use this midpoint center tool. So what do? Click on the side and then click on it. So select 2 points. So we'll go right here, and we'll do the same thing here, here, and here. So now I found the 4 midpoints. Next, it looked like they chose just an arbitrary point, so I'll just select a point right there. Then I want to connect all the segments from the midpoints to the point I just did. And then we can drag this point to make it kind of look like the picture. And now I want to check the areas. So it says area of a polygon, so I got to make these into polygons first. So I'll go to the polygon tool, click on that. I'm going to turn each of these into a polygon. And I'll do the same thing for this one. And then same thing for this one. And then the last one. So now I turned all 4 of these into polygons that it can measure. So I find the area again, and I'm just going to click on each of these polygons. And it's supposed to be 24. I got 2.5. If I move this point till it gets to 2.4, I think I can use this. So 2.4 and 3, that'll be the same proportion as 24 to 30. And this bottom one needs to be a 4. So I somehow got to move this till I get all 3 of those. All right, so it took me a minute, but now I found it. This one has an area of 4, or we'll call 40. This one has an area of 3, or we'll call 30. And this one has an area of 2.4, or we'll call 24. So this one says it has a 3.4. The answer to the question is 34. How exciting.